Hey, welcome back to the channel. You know, I want to tell you something. If you're thinking about being a full-time RVer, if you're thinking about being a part-time RVer, one thing is for certain, it's a lot of work. The more you know how to fix things, the more repairs that you can do on your own, the better off you're going to be. As an example, right over here, Lazy Days RV Repair Shop. You know what they charge to change the oil on an RV like this? $400. And let me tell you something, this RV, it's easier to change the oil on this RV than it is on a regular compact passenger car, I promise you. Well, I got a problem right now, I'm working on it, and that is this awning keeps going in. Just the least little breeze takes that awning in. And I've tried my best to figure out a way to stop this from happening. I did my research. I looked everywhere I could to try to find out how to turn this 2016 Bounder, Fleetwood Bounder. See, it's going in now, look. How to keep it from going in just the least little breeze. There's no way to turn it off. So I figured out my own way to turn it off. And that I'm gonna put an on-off switch. There it went in. I'm gonna put an on-off switch right there at the fuse. I can't think of another way to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And it's in this compartment right here. You really need to know how to do these things, I'm serious. And that's a common problem with these Bounders, is that there's no way to control the awning that I can find anyway. So I'm gonna put my own control on it and get right in here, our battery control center. Fuses inside, right? Okay, that's all we do. Take that off. And it's this one right here, number 16. I unplug that and it disconnects the awning. What we're going to do is put a switch just like this one right next to this. We're going to cut this, we're going to come out right here and put an on-off switch and then run it right back in the same lead right to number 16. Let's do it. So I'm going to put this on and back out again. Now you see how that little bit of breeze here and it takes the awning in. That's a complaint about these awnings on the Bounders. Now, let me tell you something. Don't walk away and leave that switch off. So here it is right here. First of all, we need a new switch. It's a battery disconnect switch. Very appropriate for what we're doing here. We're going to mount it right here, right there, and we're going to label it. First of all, I got to unplug this one. Number 16, just pull it out. Don't be afraid, you can do this. Cut it like so. Now you want to do this when it's not a windy day. You can, I mean a real windy day. Because if the wind really kicks up, I don't have a way to bring this in. Now I got some extra heavy duty wire. It's not going to hurt. You can go over, don't go under. Get our connectors here. And just crimp this right here, just like this. See that? Now I want to do the other one the same way. Do our connectors. Connect them. All there is to it. That's tight enough. You don't need a big wrench on this. We have our wires connected to our switch. Now we simply connect this wire to our fuse box. Do a little zip tie-in. It's an easy job. I'm not an electrician. You see this roughly done, but it's functional and it will work. Now, let's do a test. Will it work? Okay, I got the switch installed, and so what we're going to do is a test. I have it in the off position right now. The off position, on is this way. That's off. Let's see what happens. Now let's turn it on. Tap the awning. There it goes in. So our little switch was a success. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and push the button and see if the awning comes back out. Here we go. Let's see. Awning out. Yep. Oh, it's not professionally done, but it's done basically for free. I did it myself. I didn't have to pay anybody to do that. The more you know how to do, the freer you're going to be. But it looks pretty good. It works pretty good. Do not walk away and leave this off. You want to keep it on when you're not around. Our next video is going to be involved adjusting the U-bolts on your chassis. It's one of the most neglected components of your chassis, and it will take the sway out too. I'm going to show you how to do that. So, all right, well, thank you very much, and we will catch you later here on RV USA Freedom Road. Freedom is being independent. The more you know, the more independent you are.